Introducing the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter, the ultimate survival tool for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. Perfect for hiking, camping, and emergency preparedness, this compact and lightweight filter provides clean drinking water from virtually any freshwater source. It removes 99.999% of waterborne bacteria and parasites, making it safe to drink directly from rivers, lakes, or streams. No need for batteries or chemicals, just sip through the straw and enjoy fresh, filtered water wherever. Introducing the RUNBOX Wallet for Men, a sleek and slim RFID blocking leather wallet designed for both style and security. This wallet features two clear ID windows for easy access, along with multiple card slots to keep your essentials organized. Crafted from high-quality leather, it's not only durable but also sophisticated, making it perfect for everyday use or special occasions. The wallet comes in a stylish gift box, making it an excellent gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special.
Meet the OLOV electric groin hair trimmer, your all-in-one grooming solution for men. This versatile trimmer is designed for precise and safe trimming of sensitive areas, including the groin, with replaceable ceramic blade heads that ensure a smooth and irritation-free experience. It also features a nose hair trimmer head, making it a complete grooming tool. The trimmer is waterproof, allowing for easy cleaning and convenient use in the shower. With a USB rechargeable dock, it's always ready. Introducing the endoscope camera with light, a powerful inspection tool designed for precise and detailed visual inspections. This 1920p HD borescope provides crystal clear images, making it ideal for use in tight, hard-to-reach spaces. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, it illuminates even the darkest areas, ensuring you never miss a detail. The 16.4 feet semi-rigid snake camera easily navigates around obstacles, while the 7.9mm diameter and IP67 waterproof rating make it perfect for inspecting. Introducing the Kakimbo rechargeable LED work light, a versatile and practical gift for the handyman in your life. This 2-pack set includes powerful work lights, each equipped with a magnetic base for hands-free use and a 360 degrees rotating design to illuminate any angle. With 5 adjustable light modes, these lights are perfect for a variety of tasks, from grilling to working in tight spaces.